Good morning, everybody. We are here. 41 degrees outside, cloudy today. It is gray. My goodness, it is gray. We got Chris first in the chat. What's going on, Chris? Frank, Chris, Nick F. What's going on, Nick F? Chris, Frank, Dark Bro, Nick F, Dark Bro, Frank, Keith Cap. What's happening, man? Dark Bro, we got Nick F, Pudgy, F-I-R-S-T. Pudgy, U-L-A-S-T. What's going on, J-Bones? How you doing, man? Dark Bro, Outdoor Smile. Dark Bro, we've got Lyman Dave, Auto Bro, Auto Smile. Roulette Wheel, Kalani, how you doing, man? Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T. What's going on, Simoninho? Frank, how you doing, man? Mr. Simon, Dark Bro, Pika Power. Good to see you, Pika. Outdoor Smile, we got Dark Bro, Frank, Outdoor Smile, Kalani, Pika, Mr. Simon, Pika, Gorilla, Mr. Simon, Old Rounder. What is up, everybody? Glad to have you guys in here. Pika! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Hey, Pika, thank you. Pika, seriously, thank you for being amazing. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker right there. But for real, don't thank me, because I'm thanking you, Pika. Hopefully you're having a great day today. You're nice and warm in your hoodie, and things are good to go. Danger is the OG first. Yeah, Danger is the OG first, man. Steve Danger, that dude, first. Hey, but hey, it's his first comment, is what he would say. He comes in first, and it's just his first comment, right? Danger, for sure, the OG first. Okay, back to bed. Oh, my goodness. Kalani, rest up, man. I hope you do feel better, and I hope it doesn't hit you too hard, man. But I know how much you want to sleep when you got that going on, dude. So get some stinking rest, man. My goodness. On Pika, I gotta admit, that little Pikachu, oh my goodness. I saw that thing, I had to get you that little Pikachu with the little present. It was so cute, man. I just had to do it. Pika, bringing happiness and joy every single day. Get DM in the Discord. Gorilla, let's see if I got the DM in the Discord. I do. I think I have a DM here. Yes, man. Mr. Not Financial Advice, a.k.a. Gorilla Invictus. I love it, dude. Dude, post it. Hey, post it in the Discord if you want to post it in the Discord, man. I like that. You got one of the yellow ones. I thought that was pretty sweet with the dark blue or dark gray, whatever color that was, with the yellow text. I thought that was awesome, man. Really appreciate the fact that you like it there. Looking good, man. And I'm so happy to see you guys actually appreciate the shirts like that. Very cool. So glad that I'm able to give those out. And yes, Gorilla looking fly in that picture with the shirt right there. And then Dark Bro, man. Dark Bro posted a little video. Dark Bro made a whole video, man. Dark Bro made a whole video on TikTok. You guys should go watch that video. The Dark Bro posted with his bro shirt on there. Put a little effort into it. I like it, man. And very sweet video. I watched that yesterday. Got me excited about it. I'm like, dang, man, this is sweet. You guys are killing it, and it's making me happy right now. Let's see. I am. Thank you. Good, man. We need Simon back in the game. We got him. Told you to read those messages when you come in here. Nick F saying, read some messages. What we got? Let's see. Hell in advance. I had to go back to trimming the random trees. It's all right, Chris. Trim. Frank, what state are you in? Are they saying maybe salting events tonight or tomorrow? Something northern Minnesota. All right, good. Let's see. Would have been first, but I was wiring an outlet. Yes, Nick F. You could have been first. You should have been first, but you weren't first, man. Wiring that outlet there. Darn it. How about that Mullen? Dude, Mullen Auto, 35, 36 cents? 32 cents right now. Yeah, it was at 30, almost 35 a little earlier. Dude, Mullen ripping higher. 40 cents at the beginning of the day. We got to know if Tim got out on that boom. Or if he's sticking around for the bow, my goodness. And then Keith as well. Good morning, Mullen. Yeah, let's get started. Keith in the morning as well. Got my bro shirt hanging up with my bros. Watching the bro live, bro, all day, every day. Heck yeah, nice Dark Bro. Someone wears bro shirt today. Nice, man. Everybody's wearing their shirts. Dude, Nick F's kids got his bro shirt on at school today. I love it, man. I love it. Nick F, you're going to have to, maybe I have to get the, I don't even know if I get any kid sizes. I was going to say I got to get the kid a new bro shirt. If he's going to be a bro like that, got to get him a new bro shirt. But I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Just in case I do. Nick F, you a large or an extra large? I don't know what size you wear either. Large or extra large? Nobody knows what these people wear. Nobody knows their sizes. Kid wore his shirt. Yes, kid wore his to school today. Love it, man. I don't know what size anybody wears. At least I'm still golfing out there. My gosh, dude, this guy's golfing. I look at the weather and it tells me the Dow's down 2.33% today. I don't know what's worse, man. 40 degrees and cloudy, or the Dow being down 2.3%. My gosh, must be in here more. Pika! Well, we are glad to have you in here, my goodness. Teach my daughter how to cook homemade tortillas from scratch. Pudgy, now that's what I'm talking about. Dude, everything from scratch is good. Especially when you did it yourself, you accomplished it. Tastes so much better that way. Let's see. Large. Nicket is a large. Good deal. You'll be converting. Well, you'll be covering Mon in 2023. Hey, who dat? Who dat, man? You might not be lying, man. You might not be lying. Mon may be going higher, right? I hope that Mon does go higher. We got a lot of guys in here that own Mon. I traded Mon a while back. I took a quick 10% gain, but I am glad that I got out because I got out at, I think, like 66 cents or something. I think I took it from 60 to 66 cents, and then it dropped down to 18. So I am glad that I got out at 66 cents. But nonetheless, I don't have any right now. I would love to cover Molinado during 2023. And have it rip higher, man, and everybody in here just make sick money. Thanks for the shirt. Yeah, Crypto Greg, man, your shirt is addressed. It is sitting on my dining room table, ready to go to the post office on Saturday morning, man. So I will definitely be getting that out Saturday morning. Everybody's up until now. You got Mr. Normus, Mr. Simon, everybody's. I did not see Ronald contact me anywhere, so Ronald's technically is not addressed yet, but everybody else is. Frank got a foot 12 inches last. My gosh, and more on the way all day today until Saturday. We're singing, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh my goodness, stop the singing right now. What's good, Clipper? I feel Luna Dealers are killing project, or do you see it a different way? Please say I'm not. I would love to say you're wrong, okay? Just me. But let me put it this way. What up, Rozzy? I don't know if the Terra Luna Classic developers are necessarily killing Terra Luna Classic, right? I feel like that's a very harsh statement. I do feel, however, that they are kind of killing community sentiment. You know, even though they may be right, even though it may be better to build and create utility and things like that, I don't necessarily think that they're creating very much utility right now, which is kind of why I'm cynical or skeptical. But, you know, the community wants action. The community wants burns. The community wants excitement. The community wants price swings and stuff like that. And the fact that they are so, like, far from being focused on what the community wants, it's killing excitement, dude. It really is. So I don't necessarily think that it's bad for the chain unless they begin to steal, like a lot of the guys from Safe Moon and some of these other large projects. But, I mean, they are kind of killing the excitement and the fun for the Terra Luna Classic community. John J! We got la 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 bamba. Si necesito una poca de gracias. La 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 bamba. La 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 bamba. Swing them hips for Pika. Oh, I got you, man. John J. La 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 bamba. La 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 bamba, una poca de gracias. La 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 bamba. La 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 bamba. Swing them hips for Pika. Oh yes, John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, dude. Having fun this morning with a little hip action for Pika. Let's see. Hey, did you get my message on Twitter? Victor, with your address, right? If you sent me another one, no, but you are addressed and ready to go. So if that's the one you're talking about, yes. If you're talking about another one, I have not seen it yet. Bro, what's up, brother? What's going on? Gary, Andrew, Shitsko, how you doing, man? Yo, Rozzy, what's going on? John J, heck yeah. Think about it. This should be interesting. John J, you know you liked it, man. What breaks out of a bear market first? Stocks or crypto, or same for both? So very interesting. Gary, I don't know. Let me put it this way, okay? I would imagine, and this is just kind of theory, right? Any one of them can run because you do have different factors that affect the crypto market than that affect the stock market. Stock market's already regulated. Some regulation coming to the crypto market could be a factor that doesn't necessarily touch stocks. But crypto is considered a riskier asset. So theoretically, it should be affected after the stock market. Because when interest rates begin to come down, when inflation begins to come down, and people begin being confident again, they may go towards those safer assets, with just like slowly adding risk is what I'm trying to say. Safest assets are bonds, bank accounts, CDs, savings accounts, stuff like that. So when they start to go back into the slightly higher risk, they'll move to stocks. And then when confidence is roaring again is when they move back into crypto. Now, what you see, though, may be a slight difference. So the stock market may have some sort of a gradual slope, but by the time confidence is strong enough during a bear market, the crypto market could take off. Very similar to what it did in 2021 when it just ran, man. And if you look at the history of the crypto market, you can see those steady gains, yes, but 2017, wild gains. 2020, actually before 2017, I believe it was 2013, wild gains, 10, 15x gains, it just in a very short period of time. Then 2017 hits, same deal. 2021 hits, same deal. Is it going to be 2025 hit if it follows the same pattern? Yes, could be the same deal. Massive, massive rallies in a very short period of time. So I would imagine that the stock market, bull market, should begin first. But if you look at the historical bull markets that take place, it is that steady growth, dude. It's long-term, just steady growth across the board, and those annualized 7 to 12% consistent gains in the overall market there. Let's see. Made it! MK Ultra Patient, what's happening, dude? Heck yeah, Victor. I may need to buy, guys. I may need to buy some more big shirts, though. A lot of 2X's gone already, and I'm running out of X's. So a lot of the extra larges and the 2X's, all the 2X's are gone. If I do need to get more, we're going to go through all of these first. If I do need to get more, of course, we can get more. But just letting everybody know that the 2X's are gone. We're still going to be doing some giveaways. Stay to the end of the live stream. We may be giving away one this morning as well. Having a little fun with that. So please stay to the end of the live stream and try to win yourself a shirt. Have some fun with that, and appreciate everybody that stays active in the chat, man. I hope you do get a shirt today. Moan breaks out first. Who dat, man? Who dat's got some Moan? I know he does. Greetings, bro. What's going on, Alexis for life? Hey, bro. Are you doing a giveaway? Yeah. Well, I think I just answered that. Yo, Alexis 287 on spot puts from this morning. Another W this week, dude. That's not a that's an annualized W, man. That's a year-long or a lifelong W. 287%. Nobody achieves gains like that. You killed it, man. Celebrate it as a kill, because that is a phenomenal trade. Dude, people don't even 287% their entire lives, and you did it this morning, man, at a couple hours. You're running out of X's, bro. I could... I see what you did there, Dark Bro. Doing my best to stay on, but I'm on the road for work. MK Ultra Patient, man. Well, look, dude, you don't necessarily have to stay on the entire time. If you want to come back, like if you need to get off and do some work or whatever, just make sure you try to come back by the end of the stream here if you want. Like if you want to participate in the giveaway, you got to be here to win the giveaway, though, dude. I'm really trying to reward you guys that are in here every single day, having a lot of fun and really being bros, man. So you got to be here to win it. I'm not gonna give it to you if you're not in here to win it. But yeah, if you got to go, dude. If you're driving or something, or working or delivering, I understand that you guys can't be active if you're driving. But hey, man, I don't know. At the end of the live stream, maybe you can there. Why did the crow burn yesterday? It was a no price change, just me. So I didn't see the actual crow burn or how much they burn. But my best guess would be that even though it seems like a very large amount, compared to the overall outstanding supply, it was probably extremely insignificant. If you look, even if a 1% burn would be huge. That would be a massive, massive burn. Dude, they'd be burning hundreds of millions of dollars worth of crow if it was 1%. And what should you really expect from a 1% burn? Maybe a 1% move higher in price. Why? Because burning theoretically keeps the market cap the same, reduces the supply, because nothing is really affecting the market cap there. There's no increased or new value being created. But because the supply is reduced and the market cap should theoretically remain the same, the price increases accordingly. And if you reduce the supply by 1%, it's slightly over 1%, but you may see a 1% bump in price. And 1% bump is so insignificant in a volatile crypto market that you may not even recognize it. That 1% may just immediately be eaten up by just natural volatility. This is why I love the bros. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. Be here to win. Absolutely, AMC Trapper. And look, like if you 1 year, guys, win the shirt or whatever, and you want to give it away to somebody else, absolutely participate. You can win as well. Nana Trapper, heck yeah. Trapero, what's going on? It was 4 billion crow. Yeah, so, okay, so Samuel, it's 18 billion left. Dude, if they burnt that much crow, I find it hard to believe that they would have burnt that much crow. I find it hard to believe they would have burnt that much crow. If they honestly did that, I would have expected a price move. If it was that much, dude, I would be just as confused as you. I didn't know they burnt that much. Yeah, so Sam, I would have expected a bigger move if they burnt that much. That's a lot of coin to burn there. I didn't know that they did that much either, though. Take a look. Bitcoin down here. See what's going on. Keep it in the bottom left. We could definitely keep checking back on Mullen, though, guys. Keep your eye on the left-hand side of the screen. If Mullen starts running, we will definitely start pulling it up. But nonetheless, AMC down 3% right now. Shiba sitting. Gosh, man. Shiba's volume really needs to pick itself up here. Shiba sitting at 886 right now. GameStop down about 3% as well. $20.47. Bitcoin sitting at 17,422, down 2% right now. Overall market getting ripped today. Overall market down about 3% right now. Very, very, very difficult day for the overall stock market and really everything in it. I mean, you guys can see down 3% on Sundial. Mullen's doing very well. CEI sitting at 8 cents. SPY 390. BBIG doing well today, up 20%. I believe BBIG is running on some news of their CEO getting replaced. Highcroft Mining sitting at 50 cents. Netflix 292. Terra Luna Classic down to 16 right now. QQQ 277. 270 stinking 7, man. And Ape 82 cents, down 7% right now. Overall market just getting battered today. Hopefully it's able to recover pretty soon. Bro, I have a concern. Take it away, please. Are you worried at all of altcoins not surviving regulation? Gary, not necessarily, okay? I'm not just going to take your concern away, okay, and potentially lie to you. But I will say this, okay? So surviving regulation. I don't think that the SEC or any newly developed governmental body that does end up regulating the crypto space is simply going to blanket all altcoins together and just do away with them. If they do end up doing something similar to that, I think it's going to stem from a couple things. The result of the Ripple case is going to be very important as to determining whether or not Ripple was a security as opposed to a cryptocurrency. So it's not just going to be this all-encompassing blanket that destroys all altcoins besides Bitcoin. What I am a little bit more concerned about, though, is a potential blanket that would cover DeFi versus CeFi, or this decentralized finance versus the centralized finance. I wouldn't find it impossible for the government to say one day, you know what, we can't track, we can't verify, we can't do anything to control the decentralized finance space. Centralized finance, yes, because you have to go through these KYCs. You have to let these people know who you are. And if you do turn your money back into US dollars, they know exactly where that money's going and so on. So centralized finance, they've got their thumb on that, and I think that they're going to be okay taxing it and controlling centralized finance. However, I do think that there is some sort of concern that may one day arise surrounding DeFi. Your cold storage wallets, your your DEXs or your decentralized exchanges, and these decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and so on, that they could easily come in and throw some sort of a ban or mass regulation. Now, is that the direction they're headed? I don't know, because they just announced today PayPal and MetaMask have partnered together. So if you want to fund your MetaMask wallet, you can now do so directly through PayPal. I believe the first step, it's supposed to take place in a couple of weeks, I think, when they first launch it. But I believe you can buy Ethereum on PayPal and have it sent directly to your MetaMask wallet and hold it in a decentralized manner right there. So that kind of goes against a little bit my concerns about the decentralized finance space, because they're already starting to partner, essentially, with these large centralized finance spaces. I mean, dude, it's all about control. You and I know it's all about control. If they can control it, they'll be okay with it. If they can't control it, they may want to do away with it. Weird how anyone who tags me loses the first letter of their name, at least on my screen. That is very weird, man. If anyone should be recognized for 2022, I vote for Pika. 2020 has been a rough year, but Pika made it better for all of us. Yes, John Jay. Agree with that, too. I think John Jay. I think you've made it better, too. John Jay's made it fun, man. I will admit, John Jay's made it fun. He's made it fun. Oh, my goodness. Headphones to poo. Also had to get some nachos for lunch. There you go, Chris. Pika Power says this one's for John Jay. Moo. 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 John Jay got the king cow, baby. John Jay with the king cow. Loving it, man. Owning the float. What's happening, Pika? Thank you very much for the super chat. It's for John Jay. It's for John Jay. John Jay, man. There's a king cow for you, baby. What's up, my brother? God bless and happy holidays. XRP for the long haul. Boom. Yes, man. Owning the float. Listen, if XRP wins the lawsuit against the SEC, definitely XRP for the long haul. It's going to be like potentially getting into, one of these big banks, Morgan Stanley, Chase, at the very early stages, right? It's going to be a global player in the financial services sector. So I agree with you on XRP for the long haul, as long as the SEC doesn't try to shut them down, man. Baby girl's officially made homemade tortillas. From there, she made a breakfast quesadilla. Gosh, man, I love it, Pudgy. Shout out to Pudgy's kid right now, making breakfast, dude. I love it. My little one cooks with me, too. There you go, Dark Bro. It's all about power and control. It is owning the float. It is, man. Moji, 13 months, baby. What's going on, Moji? Appreciate that, member chat. Merry Christmas, bros, broettes. I am fortunate to be a part of this amazing family. Dude, listen, I'm not even gonna be humble about it, dude. It's the best family there is, Moji. It's the best. You guys already know it, too. Preaching to the choir on that one. And I really don't even feel like I need to be humble on it. It is the best family. You guys are, honestly, bring your concerns, like the dude that had some concerns about altcoins and so on. But you guys, man, you're positive, you support each other, you never really wrecking each other, tearing each other down. We might get some trolls in here every once in a while. I like to have fun on the internet. I get it, man. It's the internet. People want to act like they want to act on the internet, which is fine. I can handle it. I know you guys can handle it. But, no joke, dude. You guys are best there is, man. Best there is, and I'm not even afraid to say it. I wish I became a bro like a year ago when I first started watching. Oh, well, I'll be a monther. There you go, Arthur. Nothing wrong with that, man. You can be the monther. Next year, right, when the new guys, they potentially see crypto running up again or coming in here, and they're like, dang it, man, Arthur's been here for a year, he's got that diamond, bro, he's getting his shirt for Christmas right now, what's going on? I wish I was here for a year. They're gonna be saying the same thing you did, Arthur, man. Don't go anywhere, you're gonna be doing good. Good morning, everybody. King Mamba, good morning to you, man. How you doing? Who has to work on that cow? The cow sounds very sick. Roulette wheel, the cow sounds very good, man. You guys have obviously never heard cows before in your life. I don't understand it. You guys have obviously never heard real cows before. You've only heard cartoon cows. Moo! No, dude, cows don't go Moo! They moo with some moo with some chest, man. For Christmas, all I want is a blue wrench from my clay bro. Owning the float. Owning the float. Can I give you a look how many blue wrenches are in here. Owning the float. Can I give you a bro shirt? Can I give you a bro shirt instead, man? I give you a bro shirt. I give you a bro shirt for sure. People forget that being an adult is having opinions. You can respectfully disagree instead of flipping out. Yeah, and you know what? Part of being an adult too is even if you're like not confident enough to kind of debate your opinion in a public forum or even privately with somebody else, you're allowed to have different thoughts. You can be wrong. I can be wrong, but I'm still allowed to be wrong, and you're still allowed to be wrong, right? I mean, you just don't have, literally, you don't have to agree with everybody on everything, and you're allowed to be wrong and think some way. I'm allowed to be wrong, according to you, and think some way. My gosh, dude, it is crazy. It's the bad part happens when you start to say you're an idiot, dude. You're literally and hey, some people, man, I disagree with like that, and I kind of think that way about them too. But it's really when you start beating down somebody else that the problem comes. Shiba Inu Pluto. How many XRP is a good bag, Carlos? Let me tell you this, man. Any good bag is determined by how much you can comfortably hold and not even think about it. That, to me, defines a good bag, okay? If you're looking for a 10x gain, if you want to look at it numerically, and you want $10,000, and you believe it's going to 10x one day, $1,000 is a good bag. If you want $100,000 and you believe it's gonna 10x, you're gonna need 10 grand worth. Or if you believe it's gonna 100x, you only need 1 grand. So you can look at it numerically like that and say, okay, here's my goal. I do believe that it can do this amount of an increase. Therefore, this is what I should get. But I will say this, man. Whatever you can, in my opinion, a much more subjective matter, is whatever you can comfortably hold without even thinking about it. So if you can only hold $10 and you really don't care if it goes up or down, but you can sit on it for 10, 15 years and really watch something happen to it, that's a good bag. If you can go out there and you can buy $1,000 worth and it's not going to bother you, you're not going to stay up at night hoping tomorrow's the day that you 2x and you can walk away with an amazing life-changing $2,000 gain, that's a good bag. Dude, maybe you're loaded, right? You can go out there, you can buy a $10,000 position in XRP, and it really doesn't affect you, and you're just willing to sit there and hold on it because you still do believe. But as soon as you start to, and I'm telling you, man, I've been there, okay? That's why I'm speaking from experience right now. I want you guys to learn from it too. If you literally start to worry about it, and it like starts to toxify your mind, the toxicity sets in, that's not a good bag. Even if it is going to 10x in value, and even if you did put 10 grand into it and you're going to 10x and hit 100 grand one day, but you can't sleep at night, dude, and you're starting to have these thoughts like, oh my God, I'm the biggest idiot there ever was. It's down 3% today. This is so stupid, man. Oh, geez, I'm down $300 right now. I can't believe I did something so dumb. What is going on? That's a bad bag, okay? Even if it goes up the next day, it's a bad bag. John J, we got a little monkey action. A gorilla chest pound, 8-foot leaders, silverback style licking stick time. Oh, yes, baby. You take that banana. We got this 8-foot leader, silverback licking stick, baby. You take that banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, John J, man. Really appreciate it. That's how gorillas get it done. Pat, 1,000 apologies for my delay. My king turkey. Now then, a dilly, I will. Actually harder than you guys think it is to do, man. Pat, dude, thank you very much for the super chat and a little authorized hydration there at the end of it. Dilly, why don't we? Dilly dilly, I did it. Dilly dilly, I did it. Pat, man, John J, appreciate all you guys. Thanks, Dark Kick. Yeah, colors meld after a while. Something I know I missed something on the colors there. Thank you for that tip. Awesome, Carlos. Absolutely, man. Story time, Claire. I had a dream last night. We started Bro Coin. It was one of the most successful coins ever started. We partnered up with so many different platforms. Boom, baby. And I even saw what the symbol was. Was it a bro, man? Was it a bro symbol there, Dark Bro? What was it, dude? I need to know. AMC Trapper says, no. Forget about these gorilla licking sticks, man. Forget about those gorilla licking sticks. I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now. Oh, Trapper, man. I hate to do you dirty like that. Oh, no. But I did do you dirty. AMC Trapper, what's going on, man? You have a good afternoon. I hope you are. Big money loading the long call options. Massive bear trap. Santa rally coming. Bill... I hope, okay? But I don't necessarily, you can, I don't necessarily trust these options plays to be an indicator of what is guaranteed to happen, okay? Options can just be a great hedge, and even if they are buying massive call options that are out of the money right now, it does not, trust me, guarantee that we are going to be entering in the money on those trades. If you see institutional type money, let's say, or if you see options pretty far out being bought, dude, they could just as easily be sold for a very small profit by going out there and, you know, the stock price moves up 3%, stock price moves up 5%, the index moves up 2%, 3%, 5%. You know, those options are gaining some pretty significant value because of the leverage associated with options. So they could easily sell them back into the market and take them off the table at that point. So I don't necessarily think that that's a great indicator of where the market is going. But I know some people do use that. And if that's one of your investment strategies and one of your indicators that you look for, awesome. I just don't necessarily. You know what I mean? Like, I don't necessarily use too many moving averages either. I'd rather use the technical support and resistance levels. So it's preference for everybody, dude. Oh, was it a king turkey symbol? Very well, it could have been, man. It was a black and white, and it looked awesome, man. No, not just a bro symbol. It was bro embossed on a mountain. All right, dude. That actually sounds pretty sweet, man. Bro embossed on a mountain. I like it. So I assume that we are not going to see any crypto gains till 2024. So, Matthew, that's not necessarily true, right? Let me tell you, Matthew, you may have been in here when I've explained it before, not exactly sure. So these previous bear market cycles that we've been in would indicate if the exact pattern takes place. So 2013 to 2017 was a cycle. 2017 to 2021 was a cycle. We are actually doing exactly what we did at the beginning of both of those cycles right now. If we continue the cycle out exactly like we've seen in the past, we've got two of them. We're technically following the third one to a T right now. We would come near a bottom at the beginning of 2023. And then you'd have some, just stagnation, man. Little ups and downs, little fluctuations, and a very, very gradual incline. So we can see some gains. And the idea is that it may be a very tight trading range market where you might see some 10-15% swings up and down. Nothing that reminds you of an actual bull market, but some fluctuation and allowing for accumulation. If the same period plays out, we're not going to see those massive gains until 2025. So even 2024, you would still see some gradual gains. But if the same cycle plays out, dude, which it doesn't have to, right? But if it does, it would be 2025. So I don't want to put your expectations that it's guaranteed to 10, 15, 20x by 2024 or anything like that. Because, I don't know. Honestly, you could wake up tomorrow, dude, and China could announce that they're no longer using fiat currency, that they're going to be exclusively using Bitcoin or something crazy, and Bitcoin could be back up to $100,000. So anything is possible, But that's one way to look at it with those cycles there. Dark, bro, late on the reply. Yeah, working today. Probably won't be on tonight. Got to spend some time with the lady. There you go, man. Or, bro, maybe this weekend. Okay, remember this week? Oh, you guys might be talking about games or something. I don't know. This lady, so understand, spoil the heck out of her. Heck yeah, dude. No joke. Trump just dropped an NFT collection that may be good for crypto. Giancarlo, did he really? Was that the big announcement that they were supposed to be having today? Bro, we got another 3 years or so worth of accumulation. I'm down with that. Me too, Dark Bro. And I don't know if it's going to be that long or not, right? That's just recycling through. Hey, yo, Mo, JB, what's going on, JB? How you doing? We are going to need you to go into work, Mo. Short staffed, you know. Aw, Mo G, don't go into work. Don't listen to JB. This all sounds like nonsense that needs to be cured by one thing and one thing only. Fist bump! What's going on, Michael? It does sound like nonsense, but now, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael, man, thank you very much for the fist bump. Absolutely loving it. The most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Allen. Thank you very much, Michael. Really appreciate that super chat, man. Hey, I get the nuclear fusion thing is super new, and there are only private companies working on it. Would be able to eventually invest in something like that. Also, just general thoughts. Yeah, Chris, absolutely, man. So here's the kind of way that usually works, and you're not going to be able to invest in it really until it does go public. So they always give the rich guys the first dibs because they don't want to go out there and find, you know, a million different retail investors to try and buy up. So you're not going to be able to put any money in until it essentially goes public, unless, of course, you become one of these rich dudes in the meantime, and then you get asked to invest in a private company. But if you believe that that's the future of energy, and that's why you would want to get into it, yeah, absolutely, man. It could be something. What you're going to have to look for are companies that are doing like SPAC acquisitions, these special purpose acquisition companies, and kind of research into those in one that may be trying to take public one of these nuclear fission companies. Another way that you could do it is simply just wait till the IPO takes place and then buy it that way. But I do think that you could see some great gains there if you think that is one of the future sources of energy there. Simoninho! I don't know why we got this. We got the chapstick right here, Simon. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. For the chapstick, man. I really appreciate that. Simon, dude, thank you very much. Simon really likes when I put on chapstick. I don't know why. Thank you very much. MK Ultra is still here. Yeah, you can buy it with crypto. Something I know I missed. I missed something, guys. Sorry. Hey, bro. I'm one of my brother, new to the stream. What's going on, Marky Foz? How you doing? Glad to have you in here. Everybody, welcome Marky Foz, new to the stream. Glad to have you, Marky. Click. Thoughts on Simon Flow Inu. One of the best coins out there, man. Simoninho Inu. Simoninho Inu is one of the best coins out there. I like it. It's not a fake one either, JB. It's not a fake one either. JB used to quiz me on which one is the fake crypto token. I was like 0 for 17, man. I was literally 0 for 17. It was terrible. Gevo is an alternative energy company I like. They planned to deal with American Airlines this year. Yeah, Gevo. So aren't they making fuel out of corn or something? I don't actually know where Gevo's at right now. They were $3 not too long ago, but I know they've broken down through that. $1.94 right now. Gevo, $1.94 right now. If you guys are interested in Gevo, another sort of clean energy type deal. Renewable energy, aviation fuel. Renewable natural gas segment produces low-carbon methane from the manure of cows and pigs for the production of energy. This stuff's weird, dude. This stuff's weird. So they're into some weird stuff there. But yes, I mean, it could be some sustainable energy in the form of the stock GEVO. Outdoor Smile. King Fence, man. King Fencer. We've got a little, gosh, what did they say? Ungar. Huh, 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 huh. Did I get you? Did I get you? Outdoor Smile, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. I thought that was a pretty good one, man. That was fun. I think I got you on that little fencing action. Heck yeah. JB, I do miss quizzes, man. I do miss quizzes. I don't miss being wrong, but I do miss the quizzes. It was pretty interesting to see everything that, one, you could come up with in the form of fake names. But two, all of the random names that were out there, at least until Mo asks tomorrow. Paul, what's going on, Paul? Glad to have you in here. Doing well, bro. 4:30 a.m. here in Australia, on the way to work. Mark, you work very early, man. You work very early, and good morning to you, Mark. Good morning. We got a couple Australians in here, actually. I don't know if we have them in here right now, but there are a few Australians that do watch, man. So, Mark, glad you're in here. Hoyt, thoughts on Tesla going to 100 next month? 100 next month, man. That's a steep decline. 150, we got to take out 150 before we get to 100. That's a fact. Let's see here. I don't know if it's going to hit 100 next month. Nah, dude, it's not going to hit 100. It's not going to hit 100 next month. It's got to break through this range, yes. But then it's most likely going to test this area in here at 120 before it comes back down to that $100 level of support. Let me say this, though, man. I don't think that Tesla itself should be declining the way that Tesla is declining. I think that one of the reasons people are selling off of Tesla is this newfound hatred for Elon Musk. This very strange newfound hatred for Elon Musk. So I don't know if it'll reach it next month. It does seem pretty close. It's got two very major levels of support that I would think need broken before it goes all the way back down to 100 and loses 33% of its current value. I don't think that it's impossible for Tesla to go back down to 100, though, because people are just selling off, man. People are just selling off. They for some reason don't like Elon Musk anymore, and therefore that I do think that it could go back down to those levels. Refrigeration mechanic, bro. Work never Dang, dude. Dang. Like retail, you go to people's houses and you fix their refrigerators, or are you talking corporations, or what do you do, man? Because I actually fixed my refrigerator the night before Thanksgiving this year. The defroster just wasn't defrosting. Hello, mate. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Yes, it is, man. That's a very large knife, Crocodile Dundee. Simon has flying Tasmanian devils in his house. Now, that sounds crazy, man. I was wondering where my cousin went. I have no idea what's going on right now. I know I am missing so much. Better stay out of Rumble, Clay. I will stay out of Rumble. Yeah, right, dude. I'll take all you guys down on Rumble. Are you talking Royal Rumble, right? Or are you talking Royal Rumble, or are you talking like Rumble? The website Rumble. Now I don't even know what's going on. Claybro, are you volted? Do you mean like, do I own Volt Inu? Is that what you're asking? Or are you talking, like, does volted mean something that I don't know that volted means? I'm not 100% sure which one you're asking there, Marky. Either way, I think the answer is no. Either way, I think the answer is no. Not volted. Am I right? I don't have any volt. And I don't think that I would be doing anything that would make me volted if volted means something. What's going on there, bro? What's going on? Next trucker, long time no see. Clay, why every time we have an amazing opportunity, Shib LUNC does mess it up for everyone. Would you buy my coin? So next trucker, what do you mean? Would I buy your coin? Like, if you made a coin, would I buy it? I don't know, possibly. Would you buy a bro coin if I made a bro coin? Here's the thing that I think takes place, man, is that they see an opportunity for easy money instead of guaranteed, or instead of like not guaranteed or not easy, but gains. And it happens with a lot of these coins, man. SafeMoon is a very good example. These guys that were leading SafeMoon were literally leading a $4 billion cryptocurrency. And then they got tempted. They got tempted by a $10 million wallet, a $10 million community pool. And when you get tempted by $10 million, which is a lot of money, when you get tempted by $10 million, man, that temptation sets in. And you begin to think of all the things you could do with $10 million. And how your life and your grandchildren's life and your great-grandchildren's life, you guys will all be set. All you got to do is screw over 800,000 people. But you guys are good to go. Your family's good to go. And you just start to dip. And you start to take. And you start to take. Pretty soon there's nothing left to take, man, because everything comes crumbling down. So temptation is real. And I don't think that these guys can really resist the temptation. Same deal with, Terra Luna Classic right now. We're not seeing the gains. When Terra Luna Classic was moving from 4,000 points per coin to 60,000 points per coin, everybody was seeing gains, right? Everybody was happy. It didn't really matter if you were getting a paycheck. We're not seeing gains right now. People still want the money. And they're tempted to put everything on that fulcrum that says, let's balance between you give us all of the money or we have to sit here and wait for more gains to organically take place. The temptation is real, dude. Temptation is real. If you've seen the movie Horrible Bosses with Jennifer Aniston, must watch. 5-star popcorn bags. I actually have seen Horrible Bosses, but it's been a very long time, man. Yeah, I was asking to be held. And I'm being a Volt Deacon. Gotcha, Marky. No, I don't have any. Look, I don't have a problem with Volt, though. The guys at Volt, they messaged me. They emailed me a long time ago when they very first started wanting some promotions. And I didn't end up doing it, right? I truly believe that if I do any like paid videos or anything like that, it's much more beneficial for the guys that want to sponsor a video if they just sponsor a shout out in the video or something. Because doing these individual videos on these random projects, it's very difficult to actually get, they don't get as many views as doing a normal video and then just getting a shout out. So they actually get more bang for their buck if they do a shout out. And they wanted some individual videos. And I didn't end up doing them. So I think these guys are good. Anybody ever been snipe hunting? Yep. My uncle took me snipe hunting when I was probably like 5 years old. It was a great experience there, man. Great experience. You guys are nuts. Snipe hunting, I have not heard of snipe hunting probably in the last like 26 years. J-Bones, you and Simon need to stop tripping over stuff. Do it. Sorry, Ed Trucker. My bad, bro. Something. I know I missed something somewhere. I'm still learning how to cut the pen on a lathe. Outdoor smile. Mo, I gotta get this semester done and get some time. Something. I'm missing a lot of things right now. What are your thoughts on TSM? Is it foot at the top of the gap down to the $73 area? I think if the SPY tumble continues, it will hit and my puts will print. TSM. I don't actually know what TSM is. Taiwan Semi, huh? Taiwan Semi. Ooh, yeah, it is flirting with that gap right there. Let's see. This is a daily chart, and it does have some strong support in that area. Bouncing off the area right in here. Trying to bounce off of it before coming down here. It does look like it wants to break it today, though. It does look like it wants to break it. And I do believe, man, if the overall market continues to fall, then you could see a pretty quick decline down to this 72, 73 area, which would apparently do very well for any puts that you have or anything like that from $77, $78. So doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to break. To me, it looks like it does want to break this support line and come back it down and either test this moving average here, or what it should do is theoretically come down and test this area here, and the lower end of these candles here. So I would imagine it would, if it falls through, it would test this 73, 74 area. Test it, right? You could get an even further fall, depending on how long out your puts are. You could get an even further decline down here to 70 and so on. So yeah, it does look like it wants to end up coming down there on TSM. I'll do a shout out. Hello, Clay. What's going on, Paul Right Long? How you doing, man? This, but should never have this, but you should never have been. I have no idea what's going on. No ignore, no ignore, no ignore. Oh, that button should never have been made. I'm not ignoring anybody, man. Oh my gosh, I'm not ignoring anybody ever. All the LUNC bros dropping their LUNC bags. I hope not, man. Am I missing something that Dark Bro said or J-Bones said? Nope. I don't know. I don't know if I missed anything. I ran into barbed wire fence snipe hunting. Left my sister fall on my cousin streaming. It was a great time. 775. Does not sound like a great time, dude. It sounds wild, man. I was wondering if Sam 2 and King are related. Interesting. I don't think so. Could be, but yeah, I haven't seen Sam the Man in a while. Sam the Man might not be around anymore. I don't know. Not dropping my bag just yet. A LUNC has potential. The community tighten belt around the development. I agree with you, Next Trucker. I agree. You're getting ignored. You're getting ignored. You're getting ignored. You're getting ignored. You're getting. Everybody's getting ignored. And dude, I can't do impressions, man. My Oprah voice is terrible. It is. It's absolutely terrible. Triple ignore. Never, Dark Bro. Never. No ignores ever, man. All right, guys. You know what I want to do? We're gonna be doing another giveaway here. Let's see. You guys want to do a? We got plenty. Let's just do a shirt. Well, you want to do a shirt? Or you want to do a sticker pack giveaway in this one? We got 63 people in here. Forget it. We're doing a shirt. I'm not even giving you the choice. We're doing a shirt. We're gonna be doing a shirt giveaway in this one. For anybody that is technically new in here and you don't know the rule, iPhone. We're not doing an iPhone giveaway. That's a fact. So, just let me explain really quick. If you live outside of the United States, you can still win, okay? You can win the little game that we're going to do. But I would appreciate it if you either... I don't want to ship out of the United States, okay? So, either pick somebody who you like in the chat and you want to win the shirt, or if you don't want that type of responsibility, you can just tell me. And I will repick. You guys can keep spamming the chat, and we can repick there. If you've won one from being here for a year with the diamond next to your name, technically you can win and do the same deal. You can pick somebody or whatever. I mean, you're not gonna get 2 shirts. You're just guaranteed to win if you had that diamond next to your name. And I think that is it. I'm going to win so I can pick Paul. There you go, Pika. You can win and pick Paul if you guys want to win and pick Paul. So I think that's the only 2. Oh, and I'm very sorry. I'm not trying to... This I will leave up to you, okay? If you do win and you are a 2X, XXL, extra large, or over, I don't have any of those right now. I'm not going to exclude you. You can technically say... You know, you might wait until the next shipment goes out or something. But if you were a 2X or over, you're going to have to wait. So if you want to win the shirt, you're just going to need to tell me that I need to buy another extra large and get it out to you that way. So I'll still get it out to you if you're a double XL or over and you live in the United States. No problem with that. I just don't have any of those here at my house that I'll be able to address and get shipped out on Saturday. So those are the 3 rules. And then when you win, all you got to do, you message me on Twitter, Discord, or email, whatever you guys have, and tell me the size that you want and where I can send it. And I'll get it shipped out hopefully Saturday morning with the other like 8 of them that I got sitting down on the table right now, getting ready to go out. How resilient are these stickers when washing the shirts? Any tips? Oh, Dark Bro, dude, I haven't had any of those stickers fall off. They technically say wash your shirt inside out, and if you don't want to use like super hot water, I don't know what you wash your shirts in anyway. Tips, yes, wash your shirt inside out and don't technically use like super hot water, and they should be completely fine. I believe it's Steven Danger. I believe he washed one of his off. So I don't know what kind of scalding hot water that dude uses or what he was doing with his. But yeah, with the shirts, I mean, that's the only thing that they say could help. They're supposed to hold up really well on those cotton shirts and not really have a problem. So, like, if you don't want to do it, I haven't had any of mine fall off. But the tips that they do say, wash it inside out and then don't wash it with scalding hot water. Much colder. Yeah, there you go, man. If you wash them cold anyway, you should be good to go. But don't wash them in scalding hot water or in... Just throw them inside out. There's your 2 tips. All right, guys. Might need to relocate to America so I can get the goods. Marky. We're just not doing it for these giveaways, right? We're not doing it for the giveaways. Because, look, dude, you know, it's a giveaway. So See, I want to keep shipping as cheap as possible. It doesn't make sense for me to spend like $25 to ship a shirt to Australia. It's a giveaway. If everybody's literally winning, and then all of a sudden I'm giving shirts and $25 shipping, all that stuff away. All right, guys, spam the chat. We're gonna give the shirt away right now. You spam the chat. We're gonna pick a winner. I want to see the chat rolling, and then we're going to get going. Come on now, spam that chat, guys. Spam that chat. I want to see it moving right now, please. Let's go. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. We're going to have to get the name. What's going to happen? How I'm going to pick. You guys are spamming the crap out of the chat right now. I'm going to cover my eyes, randomly click on these 3 little dots that I have right here, and pin a message to the top of the screen. If your message gets pinned, you win the shirt. And we just went through. No ignore drink. Thank you very much, Pat, for the drink. Keep spamming as we take a little authorized hydration here. That is amazing. Pat, dude, thank you very much. All right, we're going to be giving this away right here. Have some fun, guys. Let's see who wins this t-shirt. My eyes are closed. No, I'm kidding, guys. My eyes really are closed. We're going to see who wins, see if I can get it on this pick right here. And boom. Did I get one? No, I did not get one. All right, keep spamming, keep spamming, keep spamming. I did not get one. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Did I get one? No, I didn't get one. All right, we're going to keep going, we're going to keep going, we're going to keep going, we're going to keep going. Oh, did I get one? I didn't get one, man. We gotta click these stupid buttons. All right, am I gonna get it? Get it? Did I get it? Come on! All right, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Oh my gosh! All right, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Gotta keep going. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Did I get it? Come on! We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Jeez, man, this is difficult. All right, ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Come on, man. Ready, set, go. All right, ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. Hold on. It's not rolling. All right, ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. All right, ready. Did I get it? Gosh, man. All right, I got one. I don't know who it is. I got one. Woo-hoo-hoo! There it is, top of the screen, right there. Sorry that it took so long, but that was absolutely ridiculous, man. You guys were rolling that chat fast, and it wasn't clicking the 3 lines. Next level is the winner right there. Loving it, man. Next level, perfect, dude. Next level, you got to hook me up on Twitter, email, or Discord. You can choose right now what size shirts you want, and then we're good. It is, Simon, it is not rigged. You know it's not rigged. Simon, it's not rigged, man. You get your own shirt coming, and it's down on the thing right there. So, guys, next level. You won, man. Question is next level. Okay, technically you did win. I'm pretty sure next level is in the United States. Next level. If you are a 2X or over, it is your choice right now to either let me know to wait or we play again. However you want to do it right here. Demand a second play. Well, Mr. Simon, you can have a second play this afternoon. If you come back to the afternoon live stream, you absolutely have a second chance right there, and you'll be able to win on that one. Next level. Let me know real quick, man, if we need to do it again. Noise, here's to leveling up with the next level. Nice, man. We got the next level going right there. Loving it. Thank you for that. End the stream authorized hydration. XL. All right, I'm pretty sure, I'm 99.9% positive that I do have an XL. So, no, I'm ignored by Clay, bro. Pudgy, you are not ignored by Clay, bro, man. I can guarantee you're not ignored by Clay, bro. All right, next level, man. XL, perfect. You know what? Next level. I think you're in the Discord, right? I think next level's in the Discord. Easily find. Next level here. Alright, I don't know if you're in the I don't know if your name's different in the Discord or not. Next level. Either message me on Twitter or the Discord. And you're good. Change my name to no, you're not changing your name to that, Dark Bro. Don't ever do that, man. So next level, you know how to get a hold of me, man. And then I will get your shirt addressed and ready to send out to you. Guys, get your name in the chat again. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon with another live stream and another chance to win another shirt if you guys want it. There's so much talk about Shib, Terra Luna Classic, but no movement. I understand the market is down, but why no movement? Giovanni, man, this is no movement, honestly, because people are getting very tired of crypto, stocks, and politics and all of that, man. And they're honestly taking a break, man. They're taking a break. They're not pouring as much money into it. So, guys, let's do the shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Claybros for the peeps. Heck yeah, Marky, man. We have some fun in here, and we're doing some Christmas giveaways, dude. Everybody gets a shirt. You just got to win one, right? Well, everybody that had a diamond didn't even have to win one. Shout out to Sky Stonify, Marky, No Ignore by Claybro, 775, AMC Trevor saying peace out of the Diamond Head Apes, Dark Bro, man, see you later, Sky Stonify, Next Level, Giovanni, see you later, King Mamba, AMC Trapper, boom, baby, Marky, 775, Dark Bro, Sky Stonify, we got Marky, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, Next Trucker, No Ignore, I will never ignore, answer my question. What is your question, Pudgy? Next Level, see you later, man. Twitter driving right now. Yeah. Do it whenever, man. I'm not shipping it out till Saturday anyway. King Mamba, I agree. Discord room for the next trip, maybe. King Mamba. If we do that, we're gonna have to get people into the Discord at the beginning of the chat. Have an awesome day. Pika, you as well. Sky Stonify, Pat. Peace out to you, man. Paul Wright, enjoy your day. Gorilla Invictus, Johan, King Mamba, Sky Stonify, Aiden. See you later. Roulette Wheel, Giovanni. No Ignore by Claybro. Boom. Maybe we get the apes out there. That ape's dabbing on him, Pudgy. And Next Level, we get MK Ultra, Moji. See you later, man. J Bones, No Ignore. We got Marky. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Outdoor smile. Outdoor smile. Outdoor smile. Wait, he's winking, right? I feel weird doing that, man. Outdoor smile. Thank you very much for for nothing. Thank you very much for nothing on that one. Outdoor smile. Thank you, man. Shout out to you, Marky SD, K Pittman. Enjoy your day, Marcelo Di Pietro. See you later. Next Level, King Mamba, King Mamba. We got Paul Wright, No Ignore. We've got Dark Bro, Young Carlo, 775. All of you guys, you know what time it is, man. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.